Broccoli and cauliflower are two popular vegetables that are known for their health benefits and versatile culinary uses. Interestingly, both of these vegetables are members of the Brassicaceae family, which also includes other well-known vegetables such as kale, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. One unique characteristic of broccoli and cauliflower is that they are actually flowers that have not yet bloomed. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is native to the Mediterranean and has been cultivated for over 2,000 years. It is known for its high content of vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants. Broccoli is a member of the Brassica genus, which includes other vegetables such as cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Broccoli plants grow up to 2 feet tall and have large, dark green leaves. The flower buds of the broccoli plant are green, tightly packed clusters that are referred to as heads or florets. These heads are actually undeveloped flower buds that have not yet bloomed. Once the heads begin to bloom and turn yellow, they are no longer suitable for consumption. Cauliflower is another member of the Brassicaceae family that is closely related to broccoli. It is native to the Mediterranean and Asia and has been cultivated for over 2,000 years. Like broccoli, cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable that is known for its high content of vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants. Both broccoli and cauliflower are typically consumed cooked, although they can also be eaten raw. They are popular ingredients in a wide range of dishes, including stir-fries, soups, and casseroles. They are also often used as a low-carb substitute for rice or potatoes. In addition to their culinary uses, both broccoli and cauliflower have a number of health benefits. They are low in calories and high in fiber, which makes them a filling and satisfying addition to any meal. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium.